Today I'm going to show you how to update someone's custom admin title in your Telegram group chat. So if you want your admin to go from moderator to meme queen, or if you just need to organize your team with clearer roles, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know the simple steps to give any admin a unique and fun title, making your group chat not only more organized, but also just a bit more personal. Let's jump right in. First up, grab your computer and open the Telegram desktop app. If you've never used the app before, make sure you're logged into the correct account. That part's easy to overlook. Once you're in, navigate over to the list of your chats and select the group chat where you want to make the change. It's important to pick the right group, especially if you help manage several chats, so take a second to double-check that you've got the correct one. Next, look up toward the top of your chat window and click on the group's name. This spot is always right above the chat messages, you can't miss it. When you click there, Telegram will pull up a screen showing all the main info about your group, sort of like a control panel where all the behind-the-scenes settings live. Now in the upper right corner of this group info panel, you'll see a little pencil icon. This is the edit button. Go ahead and click it. This is your way of telling Telegram you want to make changes to how the group works. Don't worry, nothing will be saved until you hit save at the end. With the settings open, you'll see a menu with several options. Find and click the one labeled Administrators. This is the section dedicated to managing the people who help run your group. Here you'll see a full list of the current admins, along with any titles they might already have. If you've never set a custom title before, you'll see just admin by default. Now scan the list and click on the name of the admin whose title you want to change. Sometimes groups have lots of admins, so if you have a big group, you can use the search or just scroll down slowly until you spot the right person. As soon as you click their name, a special window will pop up. This window lets you view and control what this admin can do in the group, things like adding new members or deleting messages. But what we're interested in right now is the field that says Custom Title. Think of this like their badge, how everyone in the group will know who does what. Click into that field and type the new title you want them to have. This could be something functional like Event Organizer or Fun and Creative, maybe even Spam Hammer if you have a strict moderator. If you want, chat with your other admins before you pick, just to make sure everyone's on the same page. Once you've typed the new title, take a quick moment to double-check for typos. When you're ready, click Save or tap the checkmark icon, whichever one you see depending on your version. It can take a few seconds, but as soon as Telegram saves the change, your admin's new title will show right next to their name both in the group and in the admin list for everyone to see. This makes it super easy for members to know who does what, and adds that personalized flair that really makes a group feel like your own. And that's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or need more guidance, just drop me a comment below. I always check and respond to those. And of course, make sure to subscribe if you want more practical, easy-to-follow Telegram tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.